Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert BAT to Excel. Search on Google BAT to cover BAT Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing BAT files. Select BAT Files folder. Check the folder. Click on CSV. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Open destination folder for output. Converted Excel files.